Let me show you how TapScore works. My name is John Pujol and I am a water quality engineer with TapScore, and today in this video I'm going to show you how our laboratory reports make it easier than ever to understand what is in your drinking water. First thing to note on every laboratory report provided by TapScore is you're going to get a score out of 99 for most of the core kits. That means a score from 1 to 99, 1 being the worst water quality, 99 being the best water quality. It is not a perfect score, but it is a very helpful mnemonic or intuitive way of knowing how the drinking water qualities, health, aesthetics, and plumbing come together and contribute to the overall water quality. So you'll see a score, in this case 34 out of 99 in the top of your report, and you'll see health concerns, aesthetic concerns, tastes, colors, odors, and plumbing related issues identified next to that score. Each of these is clickable. You'll see the health risks here. You'll see the aesthetic concerns, tastes, colors, and odors here. And you'll see the plumbing related risks, normally things like hardness and scale buildup here. You'll also have a section for filtration and treatment recommendation. This is unbiased advice on the types of filtration technology or treatment technology that make the most sense for your water quality. There's about 20, 25 different types of technologies out there, not to mention hundreds of companies selling different products. There's a table here that shows you which filtration technologies are going to make the most sense for improving your drinking water quality of your sample. The all results section is probably where you spend the most time on this TapScore lab report. You can see here each of the contaminants that was detected. You can click on it and learn more about that contaminant, health, treatment, common sources of that contaminant. You can also then see your results, and if you hover over it, you see the different units: parts per million, parts per billion, milligrams per liter, micrograms per liter. And you get an evaluation. Is this a high concentration or a low concentration of benzene? Sometimes the only way to really understand that is to compare or evaluate against different benchmarks. In this case, we're evaluating against the HGL, which is the most stringent and conservative benchmark to compare your results to. You could also compare it to what the EPA calls the maximum contaminant level. This is what they require utilities to meet. You see your arsenic levels and your benzene levels and your nitrate levels compared to the EPA MCL. You can also compare to other things as well. There's a whole comparison section where you can see how your water quality stacks up against nearby results for wells and surface water, state utility averages. You can look at national level results, comparing your results to the kind of wells and utility connections nationwide. You can compare to bottled water, so you can get a sense of what that favorite brand of bottled water is like compared to your tap water. And then, of course, if you have multiple reports with us, you can compare your multiple reports in one place. Are these results getting better or worse over time? Hopefully better. Under all results, again, coming back here, you can choose your evaluation anytime and see all of your results. You can also see the laboratory testing methods that were used for each of the analyses that were run in your water testing kit. When it gets to the lab, the various bottles inside the kit go to different rooms or different departments of the laboratory, and certain standard protocols are followed to measure each of the different chemistry, biology, and radiochemical components of your test. Those test methods are organized and kept here for you so you can read about them. There's an analysis date. This is an old report, obviously 2019, 4 or 5 years ago. And like I said before, you have all the details you need to understand your laboratory results for every single contaminant that was tested for in the kit you ordered. Now, some more administrative level things. You can always come to the top and you can share your results. Very important and easy to do. If you've got family members or friends, you can control the privacy settings of your report. So maybe you don't want people to see all the details of your report, but you still want to share it with, let's say, a treatment provider. You can do that. You can download the PDF, download the original data in your lab report in a more easy to save format. And you can also look at the sample information. It's always important to keep good notes when you're collecting your sample on where you collected the sample from, what time it was, who collected the sample, was the water sample filtered or not filtered? Was it the first draw, first pull in the morning, or was the sample collected in the middle of the day? These things matter, and if you don't collect that information, it becomes very difficult later, weeks, months, years later, to know what the sample represents. So you'll always see sample information or chain of custody information closely connected to the lab report itself. And that's it for now. I've summarized most of the key features of a TAPSCORE water quality report. If you have any other questions about drinking water, about laboratory testing, or about TAPSCORE, please ask them in the comments section below, or you can go to mytapscore.com. We have live support there almost every day of the week, at least not on the weekends, but on the weekdays. We are happy to help with your questions and hopefully get you the best water quality test money can buy. Thanks again. Bye-bye.